To conclude, after evaluating all three renovation proposals, the recommended approach is to implement the projects in phases, starting with Project 2, which is pool and beach expansion, followed by Project 3, dining and bar upgrade, and then Project 1, which is the guest room modernization. Project 2 is the strongest immediate investment opportunity. It offers the highest return on investment, the fastest payback period, and directly addresses some of the most common guest concerns. It also creates new revenue opportunity through premium cabanas and enhances outdoor experiences, making it the most financially attractive options. Project 3 is the next logical step. It provides the dining experience, increases food and beverage revenue, and strengthens guest satisfaction and loyalty. With relatively low investment requirements and strong returns, it is an excellent follow-up project. While Project 1 requires the largest investment and has a longer payback period, it remains essential for the resort's long-term success. Modern guest rooms are critical to maintaining our competitive position, protecting our brand reputation, and supporting future room rate growth. If management chooses to approve only one project today, my recommendation is project number 2, based on its superior financial performance and rapid return. However, the best long-term strategy is to complete all three projects over time by using the additional revenue generated from Project 2 and 3. The resort can help fund Project 1 while reducing financial pressure. In summary, this phased investment strategy will improve guest satisfaction, strengthen Blue Water Bay competitive advantage, increases profitability, and position the resort for sustainable growth as it enters its next chapter of success. Thank you, and I welcome any questions from the management team.